Dear students, today we will discuss about comparison topic. Comparison means we have to compare the things, or we have to compare the one pictures to another pictures. Okay. Now I'll write here. Tell me what is this? Okay, this is big ice cream. What is this? Big ice cream. Okay, here this is bigger. This ice cream compared to this ice cream, bigger, and this is biggest. Bigger, biggest. Okay, see what is this? This is tree. This is big tree. This is bigger. This tree is big. Compared to this tree, this is bigger. This is biggest. Now you can say bigger, biggest. Okay, see here all of you. See, I have written here. See, 3 teddy bears. We can see here 3 teddy bears. Which is the big? Can you say which is the big? This is big. This is big teddy bear. Bigger, biggest. Say everybody. Bigger, biggest. See, now we can see here 3 apples. Okay. See, which is the big apple here? This is big apple, bigger apple, biggest apple. Okay, now we say big apple, bigger apple, biggest apple. Okay, see here. What is this? This is teddy bear. Now you can say which is the big teddy bear here? This is big. This is bigger. Okay, this is biggest. Okay, see. Here your 3 friends are standing here. Arnav will tell who is big, bigger and biggest. Say beta. Very good. Everybody clap. Very good. Next, who will say? Yes, come beta. Stand. Who is big, bigger, biggest? Yes. Very good. Very good.
Very good.
Very